Next, we are calculating our construction costs. So let's zoom that in and see where we are at. So when we look at our construction costs, we got to know our total saleable units that come up automatically. Average construction built area per unit, or so whatever unit that you selected. If you select square feet, it'll automatically show square feet over here. And I'll show you in a second. So if I go in here and quickly change that to square feet, and you will see that all of these will automatically change to square feet right here. So if I just change that back to square meter, so that we can continue. Average construction built area per unit. So we know that on an average, when I built this thing, build this apartment building, it'll be about 200 square meters per unit. So altogether, there'll be the gross build area that I'll have to build or keep into account for construction is going to be 1,000. And then again, we have two methods there. As I said, when you see a blue cell, it is an input cell, whether it has a drop down or it doesn't. So it has, again, two methods. One is the construction cost per unit of measurement, whatever you are using, in this scenario, square meters. Or you go and talk to somebody who has built similar developments before, and they say, look, if you're trying to build 5 of these over there, they're gonna end up costing you about $300,000 each. So in that scenario, when you're using that as your feasibility, so you just select construction cost per saleable unit. So whatever the saleable unit is, so what we are trying to do is break it down in terms of the number of units that we can sell and the number of units that we can build, the ones that we are going to sell. So all common areas and everything get divided into the saleable units. So that's why construction cost per saleable unit or construction cost per unit of measurement. So in this scenario, I know that in my area for an apartment building, it will be about $2,000 a square meter for me to build. So I'll just select 2,000 here. Construction contingency, banks like to see 5%. So you can put 5% or you can put 10%, whatever that area is, but 10% would be a bit too steep. So I'll leave that as 5% because that creates a buffer for me should my construction costs move. But when it comes to your sensitivity analysis, it's taking the total figure, including your contingency. So that's how you do your construction section.